guys, today I'm gonna be telling you the story of Jesus. So this is how it went. So Judas, one of Jesus' disciples, was paid to put Jesus on the cross. He was paid, and then so Jesus, everybody was watching. There was only one disciple there, and that was John. John was Jesus' favorite disciple, and John loved Jesus with all his heart. And and there are other people on the cross behind him. This was a guy that didn't like Jesus. He was like, if you're really Jesus, then why don't you come down and help us and send your angels down? And this guy accepted Jesus. This guy accepted Jesus into his heart, so he was able to go to heaven right before he died. Then Mary was sad. So then she cried. Thousands of people were there watching Jesus die. So then, 3 days later, Jesus was in the tomb. He awoken, and then an angel opened the tomb up for him. And then Mary came. Mary came and said, and Mary saying, "Are you the gardener?" "No, I'm your son." And Jesus said, "No, I'm your son, Jesus." So then, let's tell everyone else. So then they went to the house because they were trying to not get killed by the Jews. And then everyone saw. Jesus' holes in his finger and on his side. And they were so happy to see him. They rejoiced. And they're like, it's Jesus, he's not dead. So then Thomas was one of this. Thomas wasn't there. So they went to go to Thomas. And then Thomas didn't believe. And Thomas needed to see. He doubted at first, but then he saw it, and then he knew it was Jesus. So, thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please sure smash that like button and subscribe. So you may see in the chat that we rehearsed this a couple of times. So this is my real life friend, Ben. He lives right across the street from me, which is absolutely awesome. He's a Christian too. There you go. And, let's do the outro. Yes, Jesus died on the cross for all sins. Yes, that is very true. Thank you all so much for watching. And Ben has a Twitch. Ben, what's your Twitch? What's your Twitch?
Hat's your Twitch.
What's your Twitch? And yeah, guys. So yeah, make sure this is found in the Bible, and his name was L Woods. L Woods, guys. Keep that in mind. So peace out, guys. All credits go to Ben for helping me with Jesus, and yeah, this is a very true story found in the Bible. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace out.